Are you looking for a spectacular house here in Tahoe Donner? My name's Christy Morrison, your Tahoe Truckee real estate expert. I'm here with my listing specialist, Sarah Bradford. We couldn't be more excited to share with you this home.
This is a gorgeous property located in desirable Unit 8 of Tahoe Donner with almost 3,000 square feet of living space, including an open, beautiful floor plan with the ensuite bedroom on the main level. Additionally, you have a second guest ensuite bedroom and 2 more bedrooms for a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom home with a stunning outdoor entertaining space. You really have to see it to believe it.
So please call, text, or email us right away. I don't think this is going to last very long on the market. We'd love to offer you a private showing today.